and student of class 8th. In this video, we will continue our discussion. So the topic is Southwest Monsoon Season. The Southwest Monsoon Season starts from June and continue till the end of September. From June to September, the Southwest Monsoon Season India experiences. Now, what happened before this season? Due to the excessive heat during the summer season, the land masses are heated and thus a low pressure area is developed all over India. On the other hand, the surrounding water bodies remain relatively cool and a high pressure area developed over them. So because of this, the southwest monsoon winds or summer monsoon starts. So direction of the southwest monsoon wind is mostly controlled by the physical feature of our country, that is India. The Indian peninsula divides the southwest monsoon into two branches. That is one branch from the Arabian Sea branch and the other is from Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch reaches the west coast of India and moves northward. From west coast of India to it moves to the northward. The Bay of Bengal branch reaches the West Bengal coast and the southern phase of Shillong plateau. Later it is deflected westward and blow in the Ganga plain. And both the branches meet in the northern part of India. Now see this map 13.6, that is onset of monsoon. These are the direction of monsoon. They see here. So the southwest monsoon winds are expected to reach India by the beginning of June. This is known as the onset of monsoon. And gradually within 4 to 5 weeks, the whole of India, this country, comes under its influence. That is onset of the monsoon. The amount of rainfall is very high because of this monsoon along the west coast. Along the west coast, you find a high amount of rainfall, and in the northeastern area because of this branch of monsoon. The Tamil Nadu coast remained dry during this period as it falls in the rain shadow area of the Arabian Sea branch and is parallel to the Bay of Bengal branch. Because there is a parallelity between the Arabian branch and Bay of Bengal branch, that's why it falls in the rain shadow area, that's why it remains dry. And the monsoon winds are generally irregular and unpunctual. These winds can cause floods in one part of India and drought in the other part of India. This is the variation that you can find because of this monsoon. Now see the map 13.4. Map 13.4 rainfall in summer. Here you can see the amount of precipitation, that is rainfall, that is above 50 degree and below 5 degree. Here you can see the direction of wind development. Similarly, the rainfall in winter you will find map 13.2 here, that where experiences the rainfall in the winter season. But in the June to September, here this is the monsoon season of map 13.5. See here the amount of rainfall increases very high, that is above 400 centimeter. So this is the region from below 20 to above 400 centimeters. See which parts is affected by the monsoon climate. See here in this page 13.5 it here rainfall June to September. So I think this season you have got it, the southwest monsoon. So southwest monsoon season, this is basically known as monsoon season and is also known as because of the rainy season and the amount of precipitation, rainfall, how much it causes in different parts of India that we have seen in the map as well. So this is all about southwest monsoon. In next video we will discuss the other remaining topic. Thanks students, thank you very much.